Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be talking about this thing right here, the Nutri Ninja. I just got back from the store from buying this, and so I'm going to tell you there was a difference. I just watched Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead. If you haven't watched it and you have Netflix, go on and watch it. It is awesome. It'll really make you rethink. Now you're like, well, that's about juicing. I know. So the reason I'm going to be doing blending instead of juicing is there are a couple different reasons. So as I was looking it up and I went to the store, just forewarn you, I am not an expert. This is just my personal things that I've looked up. So definitely do your research yourself. If you need to, consult with a doctor or physician. It all depends on your lifestyle. This is just what I'm doing for myself personally. So back to the why I'm going to be blending instead. I'm going to tell you how much it cost and everything why. So as I was looking up juicing, because I was like, okay, I'm not a horrible eater. I exercise Monday through Friday for about an hour of cardio. I do weights, and I can tell that's working. My weight hasn't changed, but my clothes are getting smaller, so I know my fat's being replaced with muscle because I'm toning up and with all that cardio. But I just wanted to make just a little bit of healthier changes in my life. And so after watching that show, Fat, Sick, or Nearly Dead, I was like, okay, so I went to Walmart and I was looking at the juicers, and I was like, just with my educational background in what I studied was health science, I was like, you know what, I really still want the fiber. Now, fiber doesn't necessarily have nutritional value, but it does keep everything going in your system. It helps keep your insulin low, and I was worried with juicing that sometimes your blood sugar spikes, and I really didn't want that. And so as I was looking at the difference between blending and juicing, I was like, it seemed to me that juicing was more if you were in a chronic condition. I am not in a chronic condition. My heart rate is good. I have really good blood pressure. I am exercising 5 days a week. I eat pretty healthy. So I was like, you know what? I am not in a chronic condition. I'm not just sitting on the couch doing nothing. So I was like, you know, I'm just going to blend. And so as I was looking at all the different blenders, I decided to go with the Nutri Ninja. And I have a blender, but you know, I was like, if I'm gonna be consistent with this and have a really good consistency, because it says here on the box, like, it looks pretty smooth, and I know Ninja is a really good brand. And so just a little bit about it that made me want to buy this is it says just right here, and oh, we're gonna do like a test video. In this video, we're gonna make my first smoothie in like 5 minutes. It says it fully breaks down whole foods, ice, and seeds, unlocking the full potential of your fruit and veggies. So it also has nutrient and vitamin extraction. So that's another thing that I was like, oh, okay, that's great. Now sometimes I know if people do protein shakes or smoothies, they're gonna add like yogurt and other things like that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna be adding water, frozen fruit, and maybe a little agave, depending on the taste. I'm also going to be adding kale and spinach, which are really high in antioxidants and really high in vitamins and minerals that are just really good for your body. And so that's another reason I'm doing that, just to incorporate something more healthier and not just maybe not so like carb and dense, like more. I'm trying to cut back on, like, you know, breads and pastas and things like that, because let me tell you, I really do enjoy that stuff. And if you're gonna ask me to go to Panda or something, someplace like that, I'm gonna say yes. So I'm like, okay, I need to really up my game here. And so yeah, so that's some of the reasons why I am blending instead of juicing. So yeah. Oh, another reason I got this is because it's smaller and I'm just going to drink right out of the cup. I'm going to put all the fruit and veggies that I want into the cup, blend it, and drink it right away. It's also easy cleanup, and I'm hoping maybe my kids will start trying it with me. I do have, my 2-year-old is actually a really good eater. She eats salads and broccoli and fruits and vegetables like there's no tomorrow. But my oldest, though, she's my meat potatoes, rice kind of girl, and so she does like the fruit smoothies I've done before with yogurt, so I'm going to try and hopefully incorporate this without the yogurt and see if she enjoys that as well, so that she can get some more nutrients. So I think it's also really great if you're just trying to get a little bit of nutrients for your family. So yeah, so let's go try our first smoothie. Okay guys, here we are. We are going to unbox this thing. So here we go. We've got our owner's guide, the little cup that comes with it, and okay. Oh, so look. So you can like. That's nice. Okay. Oh, they gave me two. Even better. Okay. Well. Here's the, ooh, here it is. Wow. Here's my hand. That's how big it is. Okay. Let's move this over. So we have so far. Oh. Okay. And that's it. Let's scoot that over. Okay. So far this is what we have. Okay, so we've got our Ninja. This is the blender. This is the cup. Now the cup is plastic, so it's not glass, just in case you were wondering for that. And this is what the blade looks like. Okay. Yeah, so it comes with two cups and lids. One's larger and one's a little smaller. So, yeah. Okay guys, so I have everything set up. Here's my kale, my spinach, my mixed fruit. It has no sugar added, so it's just frozen fruit. I'm going to use my smaller cup today. So I guess I'll just add some fruit in. We'll see how it works. Hey, you want to try some of this, Hannah? Yeah, good. We're going to try some of this. See how it look yummy?
Try.
You want to try?
Can I help?
I'm just going to make this real fast.
Can I dump the water?
Yeah, you can. So this is my agave 5-calorie fruit, just in case. Okay, and then we're going to have some spinach. Fresh spinach. It's healthy for you, girls.
It is healthy.
Yeah, healthy for you. So that's what we're going to eat. So here's our kale. We're going to put some kale in. Sorry, we're doing this with my kids. Okay, Kaylee. Okay, Kaylee. Help me pour. Help me pour. There you go. Okay, that should be good.
Me too.
So I just filled it up to about right there. Girls, it's going to be awesome. Oh, that was interesting. Okay, so I guess all you have to do is just... Okay, are you guys ready? You want to try it?
No. Yeah.
Okay. This is dark green concoction. Let's try this. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Let's turn this up a little bit. Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
Are you ready? Here we go. Should we try it, Hannah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not me.
Woo! Oh my goodness. It doesn't even need agave. It is good. It looks gross, but it is good. Oh, that's yummy. Hey, come here. You want to taste? It's really yummy. It tastes like bananas and strawberries.
No,
Let's take a
I
taste.
like it.
You don't like it? Okay.
I like fruit salad.
You want a salad?
Yeah, I like salad.
You want salad?
Salad.
See, she's my salad girl. Okay, so we're just gonna put this lid on top, and that's what we're gonna eat and drink. So my plan is to here. I don't know. Is this going to go on? Oh, there we go. Okay. So there you go. It's stored. As you can see, it only made that much with everything blended. But honestly, I do not want like a lot. I know some people like do huge glasses, but not me. So yeah, so there you go. Okay guys, so after making my smoothie, this is awesome and it is like smooth. They weren't kidding, like it gets everything. So I'm really excited. So, oh, the cost for this was $70 and I got it at Walmart. And I honestly think it's worth the price. I didn't have to put any agave, nothing in this. It is just pure fruit, spinach, kale, and water. That's it. And it tastes so good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Seriously, if you are thinking about making some health life changes, this is the way to go. That works for me, but also do what works for you. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for updates. We're going to have a lot of fun stuff coming up in the future, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!